Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce without a blender. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring your butter is melted and warm but not hot. You'll need fresh egg yolks, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Set up a double boiler by placing a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with simmering water, making sure the bowl does not touch the water. This gentle heat is crucial for a smooth sauce. Now, let's prepare the base. Carefully separate 3 large egg yolks into your heat-proof bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water. Place the bowl over your simmering water and begin whisking vigorously and continuously. The mixture will gradually become pale yellow and thicken, resembling a light custard. This process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we'll create the emulsion. Gently melt 1 stick of unsalted butter until it's warm but not sizzling hot. Remove the egg yolk mixture from the heat, but keep it over the warm water. Slowly, in a very thin stream, begin drizzling the warm butter into the egg mixture while continuously whisking. This steady, consistent whisking is key to preventing the sauce from breaking and achieving a smooth, creamy Hollandaise. Finally, let's finish and serve your delicious Hollandaise. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt and a tiny dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. If the sauce is too thick, you can whisk in a few drops of warm water until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve your homemade Hollandaise immediately over eggs Benedict, asparagus, or fish. Enjoy this classic sauce made perfectly by hand.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.